Welcome back everyone. About a year ago, I got this set of T37V from Kruger. They are 17 by 10 with negative 20 offset. Although they're too aggressive for the front, they fit very well in the rear. I placed an order for the front pair, but the lead times are crazy right now, so I'll be waiting for about 6 months for them. In the meantime, I got bored of the black on these Enki. These were my dream wheels ever since I saw them on the Ben Sopra 380SX, a VR38 swapped 180SX with a Rocket Bunny kit. I'll put the link to the SpeedHunters article in the description. You guys should check it out. It's one of the cars that inspired my build. I wanted to change the look of the wheels just a bit without doing too much, like getting them powder coated a whole other color. I decided to do white lettering on the tires to give them a little contrast. I ordered these tire markers from Concept Inks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you'd like a set. To begin, you must wipe down the area with acetone or something similar to get as much dirt and grease off. Then give them a little wash with regular car wash soap and let them dry completely. There's different ways you can do this, but I found it easier to trace the outline of the letters and fill them in. The packaging recommends 2 coats, but you can do more. Be sure to let the paint dry before each new coat. I ended up doing just 2 coats. I think they look fine. Now before I put them on, I'm gonna give the car a quick wash. And there it is. Put all the wheels back on and I think it looks pretty good. Not a crazy difference, but a nice subtle touch to the tires and wheels. If you'd like to support this channel, you can do so by getting yourself some merch. Right now I have some limited edition stickers. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.